Welcome to Universal Tools. My name's Terry. Today we're looking at a demonstration of a bench-mounted hydraulic crimper designed specially to do a lot of repetition crimping of copper lugs. Let's have a close-up look at this crimper. So this is a close-up look at our bench-mounted crimper. Let's have a look at some of the features. It's got 6 tonne of output, so 6 tonne of crimping capacity. It runs off a 240 volt electro-hydraulic pump which builds up 700 bar of pressure. It suits what we call R22 crimp dies, which have quite a narrow crimp face. And it can crimp copper lugs 10mm squared up to 185mm squared. So what I'm going to do now is going to do a quick experiment, put in the crimp dies and crimp a small lug. So these crimp dies that I've got here are selected 16mm. So you just slot crimp die in there, and the top one, and it's ready to go. So I've hooked it up already to the electro-hydraulic pump. So we're just going to put the lug in just like that. Here's the button. Goes up to 700 bar pressure and automatically releases. You then can move the lug on to the next position. And finally the third position. And there we go. So that's the demonstration completed, just crimping a small lug of 16mm squared. Obviously you can go right up to 185. So it's connected through. Obviously you would bolt down into your bench space to maintain a sturdy position for the crimper. You've got your on-off switch. You can also go for a foot switch, which allows to have 2 hands on the material. So if you think this is a bench mounted crimper that you've been looking for to help you in your workshop crimping of lugs, then you can visit us on www.uttco.com.au or drop us an email at sales@uttco.com.au, and one of our friendly sales team will be able to help you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.